So this video covers the hyoid bone and the vertebral column. Again, but on this model, so the hyoid bone is effectively, if you feel on your throat, it's that bone that's just slightly pointy and that sticks out. A lot of people would recognize it probably as the bone associated with your Adam's apple. But on the model here, it's really quite obvious. It's that pointy bone that sticks out, that flaps around. And moving on to the vertebral column. So starting at the very top, you have your cervical vertebrae, and there's 7 of those. A nice little way to remember how many there are of each is the times you would eat during the day. So 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, and 5 lumbar. But your first cervical vertebrae actually has a different name, which you guys need to know, and that's called your atlas vertebrae. And similarly with the second one, which is called your axis vertebrae. And then onwards from there, you have 5 more cervical vertebrae to make the 7. Where you see this orange piece of tape, these are all 12 of your thoracic vertebrae, okay? So there's 12 of those. And then following that, you have 5 of your lumbar vertebrae, okay? And then after that, it's your lumbar spine merges into your sacrum, which is more fused than individual vertebrae. And then our little tailbone down here is called the coccyx. And that's really easy to spot on the models, especially it's just that tiny little tailbone. And then if we spin it around, these sort of areas in between each vertebrae here are what we call intervertebral discs. Okay, so that is the vertebrae.